Hey everyone, Scott from Scott's Top Tips. Today, I am doing another cleaning video. I'm gonna clean my air fryer. Let's do it. Here's the equipment I'm gonna use. Of course, I'm gonna put on rubber gloves. Whoops. I have a tile grout bristle brush. Got a window scraper. Industrial shop towels. These are thicker and just more durable than the standard white paper towels. And I have a reused container here with water, one of the best degreasers for kitchenware around. Just not necessarily Palmolive, though it does work great, but some type of dish soap. So here we go. Okay, bend over. Just kidding. For these stubborn areas right here that don't come off with the brush or even a Brillo pad, what I found is sandpaper. This is 150 grain sandpaper, and you lightly scrape it away. See what I mean? It just comes off. And I have a finer grain sandpaper that I'm gonna go over with this and smooth it all out, like a 3000 grit or a 2500 grit. All right, here's a 2500 grit. You can see that. Grain. We're going to re-soap it down, make it wet, and lightly buff it all out. Now, we're going to do small little scrape movements. I'm going to do the same in there, but I'm going to start off with the brush. And I'm going to have to get in there with some sandpaper again. All right, I scraped out the majority of all the grease and heavy burn marks, but I'm going to leave some in there because it's actually not going to hurt anything by having a little bit of a messy oven because, hey, we keep using it day in and day out. I just didn't want it built up to where it just starts smoking and everything because of the grease. So now, let's grab some paper towels and clean everything up. Here's something I recommend you get. A bottle, this one's a Master Blaster, just does massive sprays, and I'm gonna use it to rinse out the inside of the oven. I don't want it to get the hose out here. I don't want to drench it too much, just the outer layers. And this works extremely well. Put some paper towels down right here. My tub's filled with grease and nastiness, so I don't want to put the oven back in it. And I can streamline the nozzle just a little bit to really get in these areas for the rinse. Yeah, look at that. Okay. Make your hands sweaty. I'm going to turn it on and let everything just burn off and evaporate. And this is why I'm doing it in the garage, not in the house. It'll burn off any of these fumes from the soap, whatever. Maybe there's some grease that's still in there that is really just going to like singe away. So that's what I'm going to do. Whew, no sparks. Just kidding. I knew there wouldn't be any sparks. Seriously though, I'm stoked there's no sparks. See what I mean? Just some of the soap and some of the gunk that's in there. It's just burning away. I'm gonna let that go for 20 minutes. Okay, while that is burning off, I am gonna end this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching all the way through. Definitely like, comment, all of that stuff. Recommend my channel, share it. And you know what? We'll see you on the next one. All right.